Help your students develop empathy and sensitivity toward the elderly with RealityWorks Geriatric Sensory Impairment Kit. This one-of-a-kind three-piece kit includes 3 wearable simulators: a hearing impairment simulator, a geriatric arthritis simulator, and a geriatric tremor simulator, plus comprehensive curriculum, presentation slides, activities, and assessments. The hearing impairment simulator enables the wearer to experience tinnitus, high-frequency hearing loss, general hearing loss, and dementia-related confusion. The geriatric arthritis simulator includes a wearable for each hand that enables the wearer to experience moderate to severe arthritis. The geriatric tremor simulator uses EMS technology to induce hand tremors. For your convenience, each piece comes with its own protective case and user guide. Help your students develop a better understanding of the challenges that elderly patients often face with the Geriatric Sensory Impairment Kit by RealityWorks.